Master, I'm not worthy. But my wife is very ill. She has a very bad problem. I can't understand what is happening, but every time she tries to dump, a kidney comes out of her mouth. And we try to fix it, but it doesn't work. And so we tried to not have her take dump. But then she gets all confident, and she starts whining like a little fucking bitch. So then we just...
Young peasant, I'll offer you gratitude.
I don't know what to do.
Have you ever heard of Home Depot? Go there.
It's like far, far away with him.
Ahead of America. Tristan.
America.
What you do?
Who dreamed? My dreams cannot be that
I
big.
see future. I can help you.
Yes.
You go to Home Depot.
Yes, Master.
9x4 plank of wood.
Yes, Master.
You bring home.
Yes, Master.
You place up her ass.
Master.
And then you slap him side hand.
Yes, Master.
Both ways. And she be healed forever.
Very well.
Pipe fill up her ass.
Thank you for the advice, Master.
Come again.